What's up, YouTube? It's the Bass God. Just giving y'all a little quick preview on this. I got the North Star bolted down. Like, this thing isn't going anywhere. So I got it clamped down on my battery tray down there. If y'all can see, I got J clamps or J rods. So I got it clamped down and bolted down. So this thing isn't going anywhere. So it's pretty set in stone. But it's a tight fit, but it's a pretty good fit, as y'all can see. I just need to get some treaded flat terminals. So I'm gonna have six slots for each treaded bolt for the positive and the negative side. As far as the rest of my build, like I said, my truck is all broken down now. About to be shipping these door panels off. Like I said, the new radio is in. A Pioneer that works. Just got through rerunning my grounds and my power right here. All right, I'm going to be adding at least one more run, or probably two more runs of ground and another run of power. So I'll be running another grounds through here, making sure this is good. As far as my amp placements, I'm gonna figure that out. I haven't put my amps up there yet. So I got my power amps over there, my 15Ks in the house. So I'm doing that. Lithium. It's gonna be sitting right here. So don't know where I'm gonna put it at. Just depends. But like I said, this progress is slow, especially when you're trying to make things right and have it solid. So I'm working on that. And this stuff right here is gonna be gone. Right here, this is going to get redone as well, so this is going to look nice too. So I'm just giving y'all a brief update on what's going on, because like I said, my build isn't done yet. Just taking my time so everything is right. And I got 3 more Shuriken batteries to sell. I sold all of them except for one, well, except for these 3. So if y'all want them, it's 85 plus shipping. Shipping is $36 because I had these wrapped up and everything, and it ships through UPS, so shipping is $36. So it'd be 85 plus shipping if y'all interested in getting each battery a piece. So each one 85 shipped. So y'all got any questions, concerns, or comments about this build or the progress of it, just hit me up.